Nice to hear. So, do you have any question about the last week lessons or programming?
No.
No. So it's good, right? Okay. So, yeah. So let's go to our lessons today. Wait me a minute. All right. So today I want to start the class with something a little bit fun. But I want to share screen. Have you ever tried something called Code Combat?
No.
No. Okay. I see. Okay. So let me share screen and here I can give you the link and you can go there and try out yourself. Here. So it's in the chat. So it's kind of a Python language games. So you can click on it and you can play with it. So here, when you click on the link, you want to go do something like this. Okay. Have you seen the screen? Yeah. So we can play the game by just simply you click on the level here. Click on the level. And you click on play. Okay. Alright, so here we can choose the language. We're gonna choose Python and let's choose our hero. I'm gonna choose this one, okay? Click on this
Okay.
to play. Here you can choose, like the armor. Do you play League of Legends? LOL. Do you play League of Legends?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay, so basically it's like the game online. You can choose like gloves or ring or like armor. You raise the statistic and you click on play to play it. So
Yeah.
let's see. So basically this game let you to practice Python command, okay? Python command, so
Okay.
this is like a good practice. And the goal is that you have to eat those gems, those diamonds, blue diamonds like that, using like the syntax of Python. Okay, so we click start
Okay.
level. So here, if I so basic like syntax like hero dot move right or hero dot move left, okay, or hero dot move up to go up, move up to go up, and move down to go down. Okay, so it's just up, down, left, and right like a traditional game. Okay, so your goal is that you try to avoid the arch here, and you want to
Okay.
eat all the gems, the gem here. So okay, let's try. So for example, if I let the hero to move like straight forward, let the hero do run go straight forward. So I'm gonna use two move right command. Let's see what happened. Run, move right, move right. You can see the orc can catch up with you. So you cannot do that. So we have to think of another strategy. So instead of moving straight forward like that, what we need to do is that we have to go curve, right? Go indirectly like this, right? Then the orc will not catch you. You have to go in this route, and I got the right command. So the hero wanna go on that route, okay? So the right answer gonna be hero dot move right, then hero dot move up, then hero dot move right again, then hero dot move down, then hero dot move right again. Let's check it out. Move right, move up, move right again, move down, and you can see we move right again. So we win the level. Okay. So this is kind of funny game. You can go and practice online and having some fun game with it. Okay. Alright. So I just want to introduce you
Okay.
because it's kind of something fun. Alright, so let's come back to our lesson today. So last time we have learned about function, right? So Kayden, do you remember what is a function? Function? Kayden, do you remember why? Why you can use?
Sorry, say that
Why
again.
we use function? Yeah. Why we use function?
A function in Python
Yeah. Okay. So why?
to
But
block a
yeah,
code.
I see it's a block of code. But why do we use it? Why do we use it?
So like you can block the code which like you can only run when it's called. Like you only run it when it's called.
Okay, that's
Called,
very good.
and you can
But
pass
yeah,
data.
that's very good point. That's exactly a function. So the reason why we use a function is that we can repeatedly use it again and again. Okay, so you can use it again and again. So for one function, we can use it many times. Okay, so that's why we use function. So it asks us to use it, run this on Rapid. I don't really think I need it, but yeah, it's saying as they ask us to. So the point of function is that you can use a code again and again. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's, I'm gonna use Python and I'm going to create a replica. So you can use Google Colab. It's all the same because they just asked me to when gonna paste it to Google Colab soon. So yeah. Okay, so wait the rapid to run a little bit. Ah, it's kind of crazy. I don't really like it. I just want to go on Google Colab. Yeah. Okay, I was just gonna use Google Colab. I'm not gonna use Rapid or anything because it's okay. So done. So we can use it. So let's see. So for example, let's try a function. Right? Gonna create a function. What is the keyword to create a function? Okay. What is the keyword? Is def, right?
I'm not
Definition.
sure.
So okay. So let me. What function do you want to create? Just give me an example. Okay. So let's say
I'm not sure,
let's
sir.
say we create a simple function. Just say hello. Uh, say hi function. Say hi function. So say hi function. You can say just that function def say hi like that, and you can tell the function what to return. So return. You will say hello world. Okay. So after that, you can call out the function. So like print say hi and run. See hello world. Okay. So basically you can call our function
Okay.
like that. So you can also like you can create out like a function with parameter. You can see here in say hi function it just print out a string, but I can pass the parameter in say name, and I'm gonna say return uh, say hi plus name. Okay, and here I'm gonna say hi Kayden. Alright, so I want to say hello world, uh, like this, hello world, hello Kayden, and I'm gonna let it to do something, right? So first, uh, nice to meet you. Okay. So run. Hello, Kayden. Nice to meet you. See? So, for example, to write like, for example, I want to say hi many times. So, in this case, you don't have to, write everything again. I just say, I just print out the function name, and I put in the parameter. For example, I put in my name, or I can put in, BrightChamps. Okay, so the function gonna update by itself. Okay, so the goal of the function is you can write, a piece of code, and you can reuse it many times. All right, so let's check it out. See, hello BrightChamps, nice to meet you. Okay, so a function is to be reused many times. All right, so do you have any question? Anything you are not anything you are not sure about,
No.
like question? Okay, okay, that's very good.
No.
uh okay, so I think we should do it like this, because this thing is kind of basic. So what I want to do is that I want you to, like learn the, like how to use a function, and I want to give you a task. So exercise. So you can write for me, write a function. Okay, write a function. Uh, it takes in the age of a person. Okay, and it return it's pre-noun, so it return something like you are an age and years old. Okay, so can you try to create a function like this for me? Give it a try, Kayden. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so try to write a function. Say, for example, you are 50
Okay.
years old, and you can take the age in from the user. Okay, uh, give it a try. Give it a go. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so how's it going? Is everything good? Can you do it? Okay, so can
Yeah,
you share screen? I want
I'm
to see
not
it, and
gonna share.
if anything wrong, I'm gonna fix it up for you. Okay? Yeah, just share screen. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, bad input. Okay, but okay, that's good. But you haven't, you don't tell. Okay, yeah. The reason why it doesn't run is that you have to, you have to indent return, right? The return has to be indented. So just click on the return line and give it a tap. No, no, put the pointer before the return. Put the mouse before the return. Yeah, tap. Put it a tap. Indentation. A tap. The tap on your computer. No, no. The tap button on your computer. The tap button on the computer. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So now, yeah, just run again. Click on the arrow to run again. Okay. Okay. So there's a couple of things. So so there's a couple of arrow here. So first of all, the name of the function, it has to be connected. So between sign and h, there should be an underscore, because it could not be two words like so between sign and h and underscore. So return my age is 14. Okay, now run again. See, my age is 40. All right, do you understand it? Okay. So basically,
Yeah.
yeah, that's very good. I'm gonna capture some of the main point again here. All right, so that's good. So first of all, uh, for a function we have def, right? And the name now, the name of function, for example, fat tell h. So between each of the word, we should have an underscore. So it connected. It could not be something with a space. With a space like this, it's gonna be wrong. Okay. Okay. So inside the parentheses, after here is the function name, tell h. Okay. So after the function name, we have the parentheses, and in the parentheses, we're gonna put in h. Okay, and after the variable, the parameter, we're gonna have semicolon. Okay, and we say return I am plus age plus years old. So we use the keyword return, so the function know what we're gonna return, and now you can say print, just say tell age, and I'm gonna put in like 30. So okay, so anything wrong? Okay, so here you cannot concatenate string and int. So for string and integer, they cannot use the symbol plus. They cannot be add together. You have to use the comma here. Okay, so with a space here, let's run. See, I am 30 years old. Okay. Okay, so you can see with the return button here, you're gonna have like a bracket here, Okay, so you can do something like I am curly bracket years old, and you can say dot format age. Okay, something like that, and let's see this what? Let's see. I enter it here, so see, beautiful. Okay. Any question? Okay, understand, right? So here
No.
you can put in the parameter. Okay, you can put in the parameter in the return statement. Okay. What do they ask us to do next? Okay, so they ask us to understand the package. Another way in hierarchy. Example, when you have fun keeping things in order. And further, we have sub-package same type module. We can have module. For this module package, it is in dot operator. Okay. Okay, so they asked us to make a module. Let's see what this is about. So because I myself haven't really do anything with making any module, so let's see. So let's say you're creating a project and there is a particular function which you need again and again. That's true in a different file. So to avoid that situation, we create a file, and in that we're going to keep a function. So all that file which need that function can call the file directly. We're going to keep the file centrally. The file in which we kept that function is called a module. Module is used to break large program into a small, manageable, organized file. Module provide reusability of code. And module is like code library. We can get access to code according to our need. Okay, so I'm gonna do an example here. You can see we have a main.pi here, and I can make a new tab. I can say another file. I'm gonna add another file. I just wanna add another function. So I just gonna rename this to tab.pi, tab.pi or tab2, tab2.pio. So on main.pio, I can say again no, not tab2. This for main. New file, and I'm gonna say module2, module.md. Okay. This is still main, not tab2, main. So here, in that module, I can do something like this. In that module, I can do something like this. So in this module file, I'm gonna call this module. Okay, so delete this. Delete this file. I'm gonna add a new file for module. Okay, module. So in this module, for example, we have a piece of code. Okay, so let's say we have a function here that let's say add number. Okay, so let's say a and b, and we're gonna return a plus b. So just add two numbers. So in this main file, you can say from module import add, right, and add numbers, and you can do something like print numbers on N2. Let's run this. Okay, so it has to download some file in the to your probably run, and we're gonna try it. Okay, syntax error, missing parentheses to call print. Okay, where what do you mean print? Okay, we have parentheses here, add number. We say add number here. So there must be some error. I'm gonna try to fix it up. Okay, but let's see the tutorial here first. So module is just like a piece of code, and we want to run it. That's all. So let's see. Let me check out how we can run modules like that. So just wait me a second. Here, enter number 1, and then number 2, 2. So it go out so a bunch of multiplication, but this module is already written. So I want to see how we can read a module in Python. So let's go to YouTube and search it. So now to import a function from order Python. So let's search for it. Here. So how to import the Python function from order file. Alright, we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. Arrow, okay? So we're gonna move on from this point. Kayden, you still there? Sorry, there has been some error here.
Yeah.
So, very sorry about that. So
No, sir, it's okay.
Up later. So let's see what is next. So in programming, all the time you wanna have to do this exact same thing. You have to debug like that. Make a model for mathematical and call them from the main file in Replit. So let's try to run this one, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna go. Okay. Okay, so how we can run this? Let's see. Show file. I'm gonna say show file. Let's see. Mathematics. Oh. Refresh offline. I'm online.